Doke yami ayikho into beyinzima lapha.
Aish.
Ayikho into beyinzima.
Shawo into efile.
Ucoach wethu uthatha izinto azenze zibe nzima 14.
Angithi lento ufuna udlala ama drone kuye kuma penalty. Ubheke lento lezo.
Siya kuma penalty segamini. Si defender ini siku World Cup. Ayiphethwanga yithi World Cup.
Yeah.
Inabantu bayafanele ba defend. And abanikazi
na first game usibonisile.
Yes, ama defending champions our defend ayaphusha. Thina sizo defend.
Si defender.
Bheka, second half lento engishilo ukuthi second half right ngokuthi introduce Umbatha but wrong. Yes. Kusho ukuthi wena every now and then usibulelele le number 10 esifuna ukuthi ibe
supply because vele beka drop deep and actually uzo collector la and manje umfukeng umkwena no yaya they were supplying umfukeng so that's why umfukeng was not in the game so instead ukuthi athola umuntu ozo supply umfukeng ukhipha umfukeng
dog yami ukhipha uyaya ufaka Umbatha
still game
ukhipha ungwanasesi ufaka uReyners ukhipha uMaseko ufaka umremi nge 60-70 minutes still ibalance game yakho say win game we've got nothing to lose ayikho into esingathi sibambele elona nemuva la
mind you nokuprotect ama player amaningi adlala ama game abhaya the passes so kumele the moment udlala igame you need to know ukuthi igame yakho kumele win nge 90 minutes hayi ukuthi uzoyenza lento le
but ke angikho surprised ngendlela ucoach ayenze ngakhona vele yena iplan yakhe from day one kwi selection yakhe bekafuna vele ukusenzela lento le asenzele yona but then mina isafa as a whole sicela i-reshuffle kuyisafa sicela isafa i-reshuffle because baningi abantu abangazi ibhola la baningi abantu abangena idea just that ukuthi ku controlwa ngani ngenyuku angeke siye ndawo kulimala thina ama support we go all out
for what
for ukuthi sihlale sisi
every time is about disappointing ama end product
bafana esinayo ayikho player esingenayo lapha best players
around the world
Hugo Broos the time sizo qualify for iAfcon ubekeza kahle asebenzisa leso squad wasichintshelani usichintshelene yini into beyidinga uchintshwa lapha so we need a reshuffle kuyisafa sicalele phezulu la konakele khona le kuyisafa phezulu kumoshakele because lapha izinto zenziwa ngenye indlela and manje bona baphezulu angeke bayifile lento esiyifilayo sikuyi ground thina kusafara thina uyabona so bengasi game bengathi singayiluza le yaFandag but then anyway ama gents bo mawuse groundini bobona ukuthi la bona bazidlalela without coach just that ukuthi ucoach uvele abulale ini icombination yabo but well done to abafethu baphushile celebrate record kancane and then next time we'll go further we believe in you Bajita and then nisebenzile thina angeke sinifele umoya sizonlanda futhi nase airport sizobe sinani bafethu ngeke sinilahle nina niphila la kithi ni blood yethu so yeah but then anyway game yona it was entertaining and then ukuthi sihluke nje ukuthi nge first 15 minutes we should have scored a goal lapha because bebangekho labantu laba and ebuka sole ama team easy kanjani kule from my group stages ukuze even iCanada ihlukile kulama lona besinawo ayihlukanga nga nix Canada futhi beyiwest beyilahlile but then iCanada
easy step
easy iCanada even
5 minutes inami ngibonela last
iCanada isebenzise ukuthi yazini ithi siphushe ama set pieces and then into besihlula nge first half ukudefend ama set pieces
and the second half we were
second half we were very much better because we manage ukuthi sizama ukuvala ama set pieces but then iflow plate siphelela la kwi middle asikhona ukujamba because asinamuntu odlalela ibhola asinamuntu yes lo muntu osicreatelayo uvalelwe yile idini ezithu mkwena eniyaya yabona so that's why kuba difficult for umfukengi ungwanasesi and then nomaseko lapha phambili yabona but otherwise abadlali labafethu gents siyabonga and then siza nihlangabeze airport manibuya nisebenzile bafethu ayikho into eningayenzanga I blame ngesibeke kini asikublame and then uziprovile ukuthi disc uyalazi just that ukuthi amasub wakamkhulu yiwangazange abe mnandi
yazi ngiyabona sesithola isignal vele but last thing uTLB nomufukeng and nalomfana lo Icon ama words of encouragement because labafana laba sibonile ukuthi baba provile ukuthi they deserve to play in a better league. Ungathini ngaba ufethu?
TLB Mfukeng and then now Akon abajitani sasebancane and then if you Chinese sase bright kakhulu ngicela ukuthi each and every game each and every chance eniyitholayo isebenziseni ngendlela right respect ihamba phambili ifocus izonisiza ayikho into ezonhlula bafethu the way ni focus ngakhona the way ni believela kwi teamwork ngakhona so mina ngiyabelieve kini so ngithi bajita ayikho into ezonhlula nakuphi noma thola team ephezulu or enjani pusha as upusha ungalahli respect ungabhayiziseki.
Thank you Tashaba.
Wole njami.
Thank you PSL Pulse bafethu, we are out bafethu.